take the soup can and show you guys how to do it. So first take the height, which is 4.5 inches, and then we have to do the diameter, and that leads us to the radius. So the radius would be 2.75, and we have to square that. So the squared would be 7.5625, and then we take all that and we multiply it by pi. So the volume comes out to be 106.9.
Another cylinder that we're going to find the volume of is this little eyeshadow. Kailon, show me your eyeshadow. Okay, so first we're going to measure the height. Centimeters. And the height is 0.5 inches. And then we're going to find the diameter, which will help us find the radius. So the diameter is 1.5 inches. So the radius is 0.5 inches, and we have to square that. So the squared version will be 0.05625. And then we're going to multiply all that by 5. So then the volume would be 1.32.
So first we need to find the height, which is 6.75 inches. And then we're going to find the diameter, which leads us to the radius. So the radius is 0.75 inches, so we have to square it. So that would be 0.05625. And then we take all those measurements and multiply it by pi, which is 3.14. And then the volume comes out to be 11.92.
Okay, we're also going to find the volume of this rocket because I just found it. So first the height is 2 feet and 10 inches. So then we're going to find the diameter so we can get the radius. And the diameter is 2.5 inches, so the radius is 1.5. So we're going to have to square that, and that's 1.5625. So then we're going to multiply all that by pi, and we get the volume of 166.8.
The height of the lip gloss is 3.5 inches, and then we have to get the diameter, which is a half, but we have to get the radius. So half of the diameter is a fourth, and we have to square that. So squared is 0.0625, and then we have to take all this and multiply it by pi. So 3.15 or 3.5 times 0.0625 times 3.4 equals 0.69, and that is the volume of the lip gloss. I didn't know it was this much. The height of this is 4.5, and then we're going to find the radius, which is half of the diameter. So diameter is 1.5, so half of that would be 0.75, and then 0.75 would be squared would be 0.5625. And then we multiply all those up times 3.14, and we get the volume of 7.95.
Okay, so the height of the candle is 2 inches, and the diameter is 2, so then the radius is 1. So 1.5 times 1 is obviously 1.5 times 3.14 is 4.71.
Okay. So we're gonna be. What am I supposed to be doing? So, we're gonna be finding the volume of the cylinder. Ready, set, go. The height is 3.5 inches.
Be careful, that's my child. Well, one of them.
Major radius.
Half the top.
Half of the top. Or this top.
I have one.